today we're gonna see this Oraimo ultrasonic warm and cool mist humidifier. How you can already see, it's pretty big. Its main features are a powerful humidification up to 70 square meters. You can add essential oil. It's easy to refill, it's an automatic humidifier, it has a remote control. So let's open it up. So here it is. It's a 6-liter tank, which you can refill from up here. And here is where the steam or the evaporation, the cold evaporation of the mist will come from. So here we'll have a display with some touch buttons. At the back we have a label and with an essential oil tray with a sponge. So it does this click. Alright, inside we have this mechanical floater, so more water can come in. Here we have a floating sensor for the device to know that the water is present, and here is where the mist will come from. So this device is rated for a power of 275 watts. So let's turn this on and add some water. Oh yeah, and it comes with some filters, so with spare parts, so you can change them with a tiny brush, and obviously it's remote. All right. And immediately, after less than a second, it's already evaporating. It's very fast. That's good. And here it's evaporating hot evaporation. And that's without. That's the only cold. So if you press the hot button, it will evaporate much quicker, but it will also consume more power. So it's very silent. I wonder if I can adjust. Okay, so here you have 3 levels of power, and here you can select the humidity manually, which is pretty good. Till 90%. Here we have the night mode, which is silent. It's not silent, it's quiet. And here we have an auto start and stop. So the fog is pretty dense. Let's try. It's cold, but you can see that there is a lot of this mist. At the moment it's cold. Let's see how it takes to warm. Is it still cold? But you can already hear the water boiling. After a 5 minutes circa, the vapor, it's warm. It's definitely warm. I think 40 or 42 degrees, and the hand is actually moisturizing. So there is the humidity. You can feel it. You can definitely feel the humidity. And here it's written to be cautious because there is a hot vapor. But I think, yeah, 40 degrees. And the vapor, it's actually reaching a pretty high height. So approximately a meter, I would say meter. So it's very good. I will wait a couple of minutes more to see how much it changed the humidity in the room. But it's rated to humidify the ambient up to 70 square meters and to evaporate 750 milliliters per hour. Just after 20 minutes, the humidity in the room grew to approximately 6%. So it's very efficient, very powerful humidifier. Recently I posted a video about another cold humidifier, but the results were pretty bad because it gets humidified the room with just the cold vapor, so it's not as efficient as the hot vapor. Also, the hot vapor is can act as a sanitation, so it's actually good for your health. And also the difference between the hot and the cold is that the hot vapor does not leave any dust, because the cold will evaporate all the water and the minerals, which will go to all your walls and furniture, so you will see everywhere this white dust, and so it's not cool. You will also inhale this dust, this very thin dust, so not cool. Meanwhile, this hot vapor does not emit this kind of dust, because all the particles remain in the humidifier itself, just like it's a boiling pot where all the vapor goes up and the residuals will stay in the pot.